bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful. God made them one and all. The sunrise in the morning, the moonbeams late at night, all the tiny twinkling stars that flicker oh so bright. But that's not all. There's so much more. God made each person too.